Inspire Institute of Technologies Pakistan is offering you Professional Cooking Course. The content of a professional cooking course can vary based on the institution, program duration, and specialization. Professional Cooking Course Benefits. A professional cooking course offers numerous benefits for aspiring chefs and culinary enthusiasts: foundational skills, cuisine diversity, hands-on experience, industry exposure, specializations, certifications and credentials, creativity and innovation, entrepreneurial skills, personal and professional growth, job opportunities. Professional Cooking Course Employment. Completing a professional cooking course can significantly enhance your employment opportunities within the culinary industry. Here are various avenues where you might find employment after completing such a course: restaurants, hotels and resorts, catering companies, cruise ships, food service management, entrepreneurship, teaching and consulting, food media and writing. Admission open. For registration call us on 92-321-505-6755 or WhatsApp us on 92-331-5999937. Visit our website www.iitpakistan.com.pk or mail us at info@iitpakistan.com.pk. Make sure to subscribe us on YouTube and follow our Facebook page for more details about other qualifications.